we didn't get footage of it. We'll try to get it maybe on the way out.
Probably 30 trees, big ones, down.
I just dropped it in the freaking river or the lake. Trying to go up on it. There we go. Man, we're almost like we almost have the clear.
Right on your heels. Here goes your Achilles. We're men. We're men in tights.
Yeah, and maybe.
We roam around the forest looking for logs.
All right, Coop, that was your side.
That was my side. You don't know what that's talking about, maybe.
No.
Well, your homework. Find out what
That's
it is.
off of Robin Hood Men in Tights. It's a great good little flick. Okay, well, that worked.
That's passive.
The tractor can finish the rest. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
The earth is moving.
The roots are holding it.
Little springboard. I wonder how deep that is right there.
That looks
Probably
deep.
looks like it's probably 7 or 8. And then you come over to the fire pit. It's rumbling into the worger. The worger.
Look at that. Hey, let's have a fire. Maybe you can put your chair right there.
A little root mesh.
I mean, how dangerous this is. I mean,
I know, I was going to come out here and pee, but it's too springy. Plus there's a little saw tick right there.
what?
Yeah, somebody was sawing.
Probably a little kid.
Oh, you're wearing the coyote, maybe?
Yeah.
This was like the most insane spot right here. We came through 2 hours ago, and it was just stuff going over the top of the roads. Big stuff, pretty big stuff.
That front loader in there.
Yeah, they had a big equipment. Stretch, probably like 300 yards, 400 yards maybe.